Hey guys, this is Yushan. Want to learn how grapes are turned into raisin here in Xinjiang? The magic happens here, within these drying rooms or shade rooms, where the local vine growers utilize the dry summer heat and the climate here to build these brick and mortar structure, leaving holes on the walls to keep ventilation and avoid the grapes from being exposed under direct sunlight. Without exposure under direct sunlight, the raisins retain the original color of the grapes. Also, the slower evaporation leads to higher sugar level and a better texture and flavor in the raisins.
This is CGTN Radio. Hear the difference.